Understanding all AC parts and what they do can totally save you from sweating over expensive repair bills or unexpected breakdowns, you know? Okay, so when you're checking out your air conditioner, it's good to know the basics. Start with the 2-pole contactor. It's basically the switch that controls power to the compressor and condenser fan motor. Sometimes, this part has 2 plungers, which are like little metal arms that move to open or close the circuit, and yeah, they might be covered with plastic for protection. If those plungers get stuck or worn out, your AC won't turn on properly. Also, keep an eye on the capacitor. It helps start the compressor and fan motors by giving them a little boost of energy. If it's weak or blown, things won't run smoothly. Don't forget the thermostat. It's the brain that tells your AC when to cool or stop. And the filter? Changing it regularly keeps air flowing and stops dust from messing up your system. Oh, and the refrigerant lines carry the coolant. If those leak, your AC won't cool right. Lastly, the blower motor pushes air through your vents, so if it's noisy or slow, something's up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC maintenance is ignoring a faulty contactor. If it sticks or fails, your compressor won't get power, so fix it by replacing that contactor right away. Another issue is a bad capacitor. It can cause your compressor or fan to struggle starting up. Replace it to get things back on track. Lastly, clogged filters are super common and cause poor airflow and higher energy bills. Just swap them out every month or so, and you're golden. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors can find new jobs and grow their business without the hassle of endless searching.